I'll follow my heart through the darkness, and I'll write what I want. I'll never be ashamed of being honest. Maybe someday this will all pay off, but until then, just let me do it my way. Oh, I'll take you on a journey with words of love and of dreams and of life's hard lessons learned. I'll be your guide through the dark of night, with my heart full of fire and my soul burning bright. Then I'll write what I want to say to you, girl, but there's no one to turn to, no one to call. So I'm stuck writing words for me